Have you ever felt stuck in a rut? Maybe you've had an idea or a dream for years, but you've never quite gotten around to making it happen. Perhaps you've been waiting for the perfect moment, the right opportunity, or the ideal circumstances to start taking action. But here's the thing. If you want to leave your mark on the world, you can't afford to drag your feet. As the famous quote goes, if you want to leave your footprints on the sands of time, do not drag your feet. What does it mean to not drag your feet? It means taking action, even when it's hard or scary. It means pushing through your fears and doubts and taking a step forward, no matter how small. It means being proactive and not waiting for things to happen to you, but instead making them happen for yourself. Think about the people in history who have left their footprints on the sands of time. Were they hesitant or indecisive? Did they wait for someone else to take action on their behalf? No, they were bold, courageous, and willing to take risks. They were willing to fail, but they kept moving forward anyway. Now, think about your own life. What footprints do you want to leave behind? What legacy do you want to create? Whatever it is, it's up to you to make it happen. You have the power to take action, to make a difference, and to leave your mark on the world. So, how can you start taking action today? Here are a few tips. First, start small. Don't try to tackle everything at once. Instead, focus on one small step you can take today to move closer to your goal. Second, be consistent. Taking action once won't make much of a difference. It's the consistent effort over time that adds up and creates momentum. Third, embrace failure. Failure is not the end. It's a learning opportunity. Embrace it, learn from it, and keep moving forward. Fourth, surround yourself with support. Find people who will encourage you, inspire you, and hold you accountable. You don't have to do it alone. Remember, if you want to leave your footprints on the sands of time, you can't afford to drag your feet. Take action now, and start making your mark on the world. Do it today. Now. Leaving your footprints means making an impact in the world. Leaving a lasting impression, or legacy that will be remembered by others. It is a reminder to be mindful of the choices we make, and the actions we take, as they can have a ripple effect on the people and world around us. Whether it is through our work, our relationships, or our community involvement, we all have the ability to make a positive difference in the world. By leaving our footprints, we can inspire others to follow in our footsteps and continue the cycle of positive impact. However, it is important to remember that not all footprints are positive. Some actions and choices can have a negative impact on the world and those around us. Therefore, it is essential to strive for actions that promote positivity, kindness, and respect for others and the planet. Like, subscribe and share.